Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will walk you through how to integrate Zendesk API into your system in 2025. So whether you are looking to automate workflows, sync customer data, or enhance your help desk with third-party applications, this guide has you covered. So here guys, so what is this website and why use it? So this website allows developers to programmatically interact with Zendesk products, so including the support, chat, talk, and sell. So with the API, you can automate customer support. So here, by creating, updating, and retrieving tickets, you can also integrate third-party apps like CRM tools, analytics dashboards, and e-commerce platforms. And then, understanding API endpoints will help you unlock the full potential of this website. So here guys, on setting up API access, you just need to log into your Zendesk admin center, then navigate to apps and integrations, and then look for APIs. So under token access, you can toggle the switch to enable API access, and then click add API token and copy the generated key. So here you can store this token securely as you won't be able to view it again. So here guys, you can also have your testing Zendesk API using the Postman. So as you can see here, so on integrating Zendesk API in Python, you can have a code there, and on Postman, you just need to create new requests and then set the request type to get. So here on automating API calls with webhooks, you just need to go to admin center and then look for apps and integration, and then you can look for that one. Then there you can create and then choose, for example, URL. So the URL is the endpoint where you want to send data, while the method is the post and then authentication. And then, for example, guys, you can notify an external system whenever a new ticket is created. So, common API use cases, guys. So, here are some powerful ways to use this Zendesk API. So, syncing tickets with Slack. So, get real-time notification in Slack channels. Auto-assigning tickets. So, these route tickets to agent based on keywords. Exporting reports. So, pull Zendesk data into Google Sheets or Power BI. You can integrate it with a CRM, so you can update customers' interactions in HubSpot, Salesforce, or even the Zoho. So these integrations save times and enhance efficiency. So on troubleshooting, guys, we have their troubleshooting issues, guys. So if you run into API errors, so you can troubleshoot it. For example, you run into unauthorized, you can check the API token and credentials. When you run into rate limit exceeded, you can reduce the number of API calls. You can also have their unprocessable entity. You can verify your JSON request format and then check the Zendesk API documentation for detailed error explanations. And that's a wrap, guys, on Zendesk API integration for 2025. So with these steps, you can automate workflows, integrate third-party apps, and optimize customer support. And if this tutorial is helpful, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and API guides. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.